everyone, it is Thursday the 7th of May and this is your phonics lesson. So I gave you 2 new words yesterday to see if you can try and spell. The words are mystery and adventure. So can you see if you can remember how to write those, but don't peek at yesterday's spellings. So the word is mystery and adventure. Break it up into the syllables. Okay, now let me put them on the board. So the first word is mystery. Mystery. And the next word is adventure. Perfect. Okay, so check yours. Right, now moving on to the learning of the day. So I said to you that we'll be doing another suffix this week, and I completely forgot that we don't have a learning tomorrow because it's a bank holiday, but today we are going to move on to the next suffix, and that is the ER suffix, the suffix. Okay, so we're going to add to the end of some words today. Now we are going to start with a verb. Now a verb is a doing word. Okay, and then when we add ER to it, sometimes it turns it into a noun. Okay, so we need to remember what a verb and what a noun is. Now a verb is a doing word and a noun is an object or a thing or a person. Okay, so if I have the word teach, which is a verb, a doing word, I teach. Then I add ER to the end. It then becomes teacher, and I am a teacher, okay? So I teach, and I am a teacher. So then we've got some other words that we can do to show that. And if I have the word bake, so some people like to bake, and that is a verb, a doing word. And if you add ER to the end of bake, something happens. Okay, so I've got the word baker, but does that look right to you? No, it doesn't. So I haven't remembered my rule. Now I know that 2 E's are greedy. Who remembers that one? So 2 E's are greedy, which means I do not want to have 2 E's there when I add the ER suffix. Okay, so I'm going to try that one again with that rule in my head. I have bake. I want to add ER, but I only want 1 E. So then I just add the R, baker. Okay, so it's the verb to bake. And then if you add ER, it turns it into a noun, and that is a person, someone who is a baker. Okay, so I'm going to give you 6 words, and I want you to add ER to them, but I want you to see if you can spot whether you need to add ER or whether you need to take off an E, okay? Because 2 E's are greedy. So the 6 words are going to be drive, and you can turn it into driver, read, and turn it into reader. This one rhymes, lead, leader. 4th one, write, and you can turn it into writer. And then we have dance, and turn that into dancer. And the last one's a bit bigger, okay? So the last one is manager. Manage, and then if you have ER on the end, it turns it into manager. So pause the video, give them a try. We've got drive, write. Oh, I've just realised I've already added my ER, so I'll get rid of that one. Drive, write, dance, read, lead, and manage. So can you please add ER to the end of those words, checking for that E. Okay, so let's add the ER to the end. So this one's got an E, so I just need to add an R. So does this one, and so does this one. Okay, now here I've got, so this one I've got read, and I'm going to turn it into reader. Someone who reads a lot of books is a reader. And then I've got lead, someone who likes to be a bit bossy and lead the way is a leader. And the last one, if you manage a group of people, then you could be called a manager. Okay, so now what I want you to do is to play bingo. I want you to pick 4 of those words, put them into your bingo grid. I'm going to pick 4. Make sure you've got your ER suffix on the end. Obviously you're going to use teacher because that's who I am. Okay, now pause the video if you need to catch up, and then I'm going to say 4 of those words and see if you can get bingo. Okay, are you ready? First word, driver. Second word, baker. Oh, I got that one. Third word, leader. Fourth word, dancer. Okay, so I didn't get bingo, but see if you can, or continue with your parents until you do get bingo. And then we're going to put them into one sentence. Okay, so let me just make some space. Okay, perfect, right. So my sentence is going to be, I want to be a dancer when I grow up. Oh, run out of fingers. Try that one again. I want to be a dancer when I grow up. 10 words. Okay. Capital letter. I want to be a dancer when I grow up. Oh, didn't do very well on my P there, did I? Let me do that one again. Okay, that's better. There we go. I want to be a dancer when I grow up. So, see if you can think of a sentence and make sure it's got a capital letter and a full stop. Okay, have a good day, or have a good weekend, shall I say.